Hello everyone, you are welcome to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you guys how I prepare my unripe plantain porridge. So this recipe is going to be a very healthy one. The recipe is all about eating healthy. So if you really want to spike up your health with healthy food, please keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you like what we do, share to your friends and also invite your friends to like it. I'm going to be cooking this unripe plantain porridge with vegetable ogo and pumpkin in English. Okay, if most of you guys might not know what is ogo, in my dialect we call it ogo, which is pumpkin leaf. Okay, and show you what to the end. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please click that bell icon, click the subscribe button, so whenever I make a new videos like this, you'll be among the first to see my videos. So for you returning subscribers, thank you very much for watching my videos. Please keep watching. I really want to get 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but you guys, you that is watching this video, please hit that subscribe button. Do you hear me? Hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you always get my notification whenever I upload new videos. Yes. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into the cooking. A new recipe on how I prepare my plantain porridge at home. So the porridge actually is going to be an unripe plantain. So many people prefer the ripe one because the ripe one has more sweet and taste to it, but for me I choose the unripe plantain because the unripe plantain is more healthier than the ripe plantain. The unripe plantain is low in sugar compared to the ripe or overripe plantain, and it makes it a great meal for a diabetic patient. And if you are a pregnant woman, this is the best meal you can include into your diet during pregnancy. There are so many benefits which you can derive just by eating this unripe plantain. The unripe plantain can treat anemia, a blood deficiency disease. It is a great meal for weight loss as it contains low carbohydrates and high in fiber content. It is high in mineral and vitamins when consumed with lots of vegetables. There are so many ways to which you can prepare the unripe plantain. Some boil and eat with steamed vegetable sauce, while some roast theirs. And some even cook the plantain with beans, either ripe or unripe. But the best way to consume this plantain is to eat it unripe. So if you're a diabetic patient, this is a best meal plan for you. And if you're a pregnant woman, this is the best meal you can include into your diet during pregnancy. And it's well packed with nutrients and minerals. All the ingredients are natural ingredients. You don't need to add extra ingredients to this cooking, and you'll still get all the wonderful taste you need. So in conclusion, you can imagine all the health benefits you will get just by eating this unripe plantain and the wonders it does to your health. So include this unripe plantain to your meal plan today and start having all the many medicinal properties it possesses. So on this table are a display of my ingredients which I'll be using for this cooking. So here is my unripe plantain, here is my vegetable and my onion, my oil bean seed, my pepper, crayfish, and dry fish, which I'll be using for this cooking. I'll also be using tuna cubes for this cooking, and red palm oil. So with all these ingredients, I'll be preparing a delicious unripe plantain porridge. So in a clean pot, I'll be adding some of my dried fish and okpaka. Some people call it owa, and its English name is African oil bean seed. This oil bean seed is very healthy. You can even eat that alone, which I used to do always. Oh God, stop. So after pouring it into a pot, I will let both the dry fish and the oil bean seed to cook for a while. So after cooking the dry fish and the okpaka, I'll be pouring it out and set aside. In the same pot, I'll be adding my unripe plantain with the water which I got out from the cooked oil bean seed, which is okpaka and the dry fish. So after that, I'll be adding extra water to the level of the unripe plantain and cover it up and let it cook for 10 minutes. So as my plantain is boiling, I will go ahead and add a tablespoon of salt. I will add tuna cubes and my blended crayfish, onion and pepper into it. So after adding my pepper, crayfish and onion into the cooking, I'll be spreading them out so that the pepper, the crayfish, all the spices can seep into the plantains for a better taste. So after this, I'll be adding my red oil, my palm oil into the cooking and let it cook for extra 10 minutes. So at this point, you can check for salt to know if it is okay, or do you still need extra spice, which is not cubes or salt. So now that my plantain is well cooked, I'll be adding my vegetables to it. If you have been watching my videos, you will notice I love vegetables a lot and I love adding lots of it into my meal. So always take note of your vegetables while adding it into your cooking by making sure you're not overcooking it, because by so doing, you'll be depleting all the vitamins and minerals, which you don't want to do. So here, I will go ahead and turn the vegetables to make sure they are well blended with the plantain. I will let it cook for extra 2 minutes because I don't want the vegetables to cook too much, because I want it fresh while eating. So after this, my plantain porridge is done and ready for serving. Please, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell